things I've been involved in have been namely MyPath. MyPath has allowed me to do things like Teacher of the Year event, things like the 60 Plus luncheon. It allowed me to do my own event. I'm involved in the marching band and color guard. It gives you so many memories and like so many fun times. You really build a family during the seasons. I plan to go to STLCC to get a degree in culinary arts and hotel and restaurant management. Originally during my junior year, I took the culinary arts South Tech class. That was mostly helpful. I got my certification in food safety. And then my senior year here, being with Miss Dunn has really like pushed forward the experience portion because we've done so many events and cooked so much food for so many people.